Many homeowners struggle with faulty, outdated, or damaged garage doors, causing inconvenience and security concerns. That's where we come in. Our company specializes in professional garage door installation and repair services tailored to your needs. Whether you need a brand new door, spring replacement, or emergency repairs, we handle it all so you don't have to. With fast response times, high-quality materials, and expert technicians you can trust, we make it easy to keep your home secure and your garage door working smoothly. If you're looking for a local, reliable, and affordable garage door service, contact us now. Your garage, our expertise. 100% satisfaction guaranteed.